Great Scott! It's 1984! It's wild here. Hair is big, cell phones bigger. As spandex and shoulder pads battle it out, Magnet is born.
This just in. New nonprofit is created to grow manufacturing in Northeast Ohio.
Times were tough for manufacturing, so Magnet got to work. Did this bold manufacturing experiment work? Let's go back to the future to find out. Manufacturing has gone from this to this. Magnet worked with thousands of companies to help manufacturing grow and prosper.
Oh my God!
And we're just getting started. Here's to 40 more years. Forging the future.